How to remove theme in Messenger. Hello everybody, welcome back. If you guys are wondering how you can follow up the steps. So in order to do so, you can go ahead and open up Messenger in your screen. And once you open up Messenger, you can head over the chat in which you want to remove the theme. For example, let's say this. So once you head over the chat, in order to remove it, you can simply long press on your screen, or you can also head over to your name at the top, and from here you can head over the theme from customization section. Tap on it. Once you reach over to the theme, in order to remove it, you gotta select the theme that you have selected. Tap on the theme that you've already selected, and once you do, it gives you this confirmation like, are you sure that you want to remove the theme from the chat? Go ahead and click on remove, and once you do, it will change back to default theme and it will be removed. So that is how you remove theme from Messenger. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.